Today I will be showing you how to use the Smart Learning Suite, recently renamed to Lumio by Smart. This Web 2.0 tool is perfect for transforming your lessons for virtual learning, hybrid learning, enhancing learning with technology, and helping save on printed paper. Rather than running your lesson on just one large electronic board, you can run the lesson on all student devices, which also allows them to interact with the lesson in real time. All components of a lesson can be completed through Smart Suite: a hook introduction, whole group instruction, guided work, independent work, and extensions. Let's begin by signing in or creating a teacher account. If you have an existing Microsoft Office 365 or Google account with your school, you can click Sign In. If not, you will click Sign Up for free and follow the prompting. Here is the main dashboard where all of your saved or created lessons will appear. You will also see your class information and options for creating, uploading new content. Under the options Edit Class, you will have many options. You can rename your class, reset your unique code, edit your class banner, and change the way students access your virtual lessons. Below the banner, you will see a few things listed. As you save and create more resources, you will expand your dashboard. Here you will see all lessons saved and created. You can find them by sorting them by date, sorting them by name, or by simply searching for a keyword in that lesson's name. Add Activities is where you will click to create or upload any new lessons. You will have a variety of options here. You may upload content that exists on your local drive. You may start from scratch, or you can use templates designed by Smart Suite. We will revisit adding activities once we've explored our other two options. If you see a lesson you like, simply click on it, read the details, and add it to your library. Then it will appear on your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can edit and add to the lesson. Click on the Home button at any time to return to your dashboard. Listed under Training are many actions that educators might question how to do. For instance, you might be wondering how to create an assessment with Smart Learning Suite. There is a PDF and a video how-to for many aspects of the lesson creation. Now let's get started on the most interesting part, creating our lessons. For me, I usually have PowerPoint lessons readily available on my hard drive, but I want students to be able to interact with them. This is why I typically use the Import Resource feature, and this is what I will be showing you all today. You are able to upload Smart Notebooks, PDFs, and PowerPoints. You won't be able to change them, but only add to them. So make sure the content is already presentable and saved on your device before uploading. After our PowerPoint is uploaded, let's visit all of the editing features. Let's say that I need to add an introduction slide. I can add a new slide whenever I want throughout the presentation. I also have the same options to add to a slide that I did when creating my new overall activity: import resource, YouTube, blank page, or previously designed templates. On your existing slide, you have a lot of options to add to your content. You can add text, upload or add images, and insert hyperlinks. You can also record your voice and add narration to each slide. Make sure all of these things have been completed prior to making any slide a student activity. What if I want students to complete their independent work on a slide? Will I be able to access and even grade this work? The answer is yes. If you want to make a slide for a student or a group activity, simply click Convert to an Activity. Be aware that when you make something a group collaboration, students can write over and erase each other's work. This is why when you take the lesson live, it is better to have groups of only 2 to 3 students, or to keep the activity individual. Once all of your slides look good to go, click Finish Editing. Don't worry, if you make a mistake during creation, you can go back and edit the lesson at any time, even after you've taken it live with your students, and I will show you how. It is time to teach. To start a live lesson from your dashboard, locate it and press Start. It will now take place on all students' devices who are logged in. From the live lesson, let's explore our tools and options. The 3-bar menu gives you access to end the lesson, edit, share, or make a copy. The 2-person logo gives you class information. You can display login directions for students, choose whether students' devices will pace with the teacher's, which is recommended for whole group, or at their own speed, recommended for independent work. You can also see all students who are logged in and edit if you need to remove any. Next, you will see all tools usable on each slide. You have access to a cursor, draw, highlight with color and thickness options, eraser, a slide refresh button. You can add a last-minute whiteboard or a shout-it-out activity. Lastly, you can scroll through the slides with an arrow or click the number to find a specific slide. See student work, find a slide that you marked as an activity. It is indicated by a purple notepad handout symbol. Next, click on the student progress and choose the student whose work for that specific slide you would like to see. You can also draw and type on that student's slide, and they will see your work as well. This is great for feedback. You can always go back and see their work later on. What if students have not completed their work and need to visit it while you are not live? If they have logged in through their student email and not as a guest, they can come back to it later with a student link. To find this link, go back to the top left 3-bar menu, click Share, and copy the student sharing link. You can discontinue sharing at any time by revisiting this lesson. Here you will also see a link to share your lesson for other educators to copy. When you are finished, click End Lesson and you will return to the dashboard. You can also share links from the dashboard by locating that lesson, clicking the 3 dots on it, and clicking Share. One of the most important ideas is knowing as the teacher what this all looks like in student view. Now we will practice logging in as a student to see the lesson from their view and also see what tools are available to them. As a student, you will go to hellosmart.com. It is important to log in under Office 365 or Google account to access student sharing links and revisit work. If not, you may log in as a guest. Both initial logins will require the teacher's unique class code. As soon as you are logged in as a student, the live lesson will appear on the screen. Tools are only available to students on slides that are marked as activities. For this example, the lesson is on student pace. Once you are on an activity, click Start. All of the same tools are available to the student on each slide, with the addition of adding images. Let's walk through the steps of solving this math problem. Once the student has completed their work on that slide, they must click Done in the top right. The teacher can see all work done to the slide throughout, but it won't be marked as complete for the teacher until the student clicks Done. Just a basic run-through of one type of creation that can be done through Smart Learning Suite. You now understand the basic tools of creation, running a lesson, and understanding the student's view. This is an unbelievable tool to transform learning through technology.